In this video, you're going to learn how to register your drone in Japan, where you can and cannot fly, and most importantly, how to stay out of jail and avoid paying fines just for flying your drone. There's so many epic places to film in Japan, you could spend weeks and months and never get everything. Like many other countries, Japan has some very strict rules and regulations regarding flying drones. This is largely due to high density population as well as privacy concerns. My drone's less than 200 grams, so I'm okay, right? The main difference is that in most countries, you must register your drone if it's over 200 grams. In Japan, the threshold is 100 grams. What's that website again? Go to the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism website and click register. I don't read Japanese, how can I fill out the form? You'll be happy to know that you can fill out the form in English. Can I register my drone if I don't have a Japanese address? Now, there was a rumor that you wouldn't be able to register a drone if you don't have a Japanese address. This is because a lot of the documentation required can only be obtained by somebody who lives in Japan. The good news is they will accept a passport, along with a document issued by a public institution verifying your name, address, and date of birth. Note that if your particular drone has been the subject of safety recalls, or that particular model has been involved in too many accidents, you won't be able to register that drone. So dude, I've made all these killer mods to my drone. If you've made any modifications to your drone, you're going to need to provide a detailed explanation. This means any aftermarket mods, including any repairs you've made. So basically anything that was not on the drone when you unboxed it. I got 3 drones. I can just get in one license and start flying, right? Really, who has just one drone? You're going to need to register each aircraft individually. Okay, how much does it cost? The fee for each drone at the time of this video is 2,400 yen. Wait, do I need a remote ID? You read my mind. Yes, you do need to get a digital ID for your drone, and it needs to be clearly visible on the outside of the drone. Otherwise, your drone will be listed as an unauthorized aircraft, and you'll have to pay a fine. Dude, that sounds like such a hassle. What if I just get something you don't need to register? Okay, let's look at drones that are under 100 grams. You have a few options. I recommend the Tello drone, link in the description. They don't have all the bells and whistles, but they're still pretty good. Okay, I've registered my drone. I can start flying, right? Not so fast. You still need to notify local authorities before you fly your drone, even if it's under 100 grams. They will let you know if the sky is clear that day. Wait, what happens if I fly over a restricted area? In most cases, the police will demand that you land your drone immediately. In some extreme cases, they might even destroy the offending drone. And if you fly over a restricted area without approval, you could be subject to a year in jail and up to a 500,000 yen fine. While we're on the topic, what is a restricted area? Restricted areas include government buildings, political party offices, military bases, and nuclear facilities.